finally away from the dock on our trip over to Ontonagon, and there's all kinds of debris in the water here. Floating trees and logs. That one's about 20 feet long. Here, I'll try to show you. That is like a tree floating in the lake. Dodging fishing buoys and debris from a storm that we had a couple of days ago. Storm dumped about 14 inches of water and washed out a marina that's only about 40 miles from us. Completely washed out, 85 boats destroyed. So we really lucked out on that one. I'm up here standing on the bow, kind of directing traffic. Marge is steering the boat. We have a ton of debris in the water here. Big logs from a washout storm we had. Anyways, I'll see if I can show some of the things that we've got in the water here. There's a tree and a fluorescent tube light bulb. That looks further away than it is, but I'd say it's about 80 feet away. So we're just going to keep an eye out. I'm going to stay up on the bow and give her direction so we're missing all the big stuff. You see that? It's a tire. So we're going to wee-wah our way through them. That's what we're going to do tonight. This is the first hour of our vacation. It's 4:30 in the morning. We just left Oak, and we discovered that our oil leak has probably increased a little bit. We're going to keep an eye on it and see how things go. If anything looks amiss, we'll try to do more sailing and get ourselves back home. So that's where we're at.
Part of the old mine stuff.
It says Upper Peninsula Shipbuilding Company. It's going to start getting shallower now.
Oh, my guess is it's probably up by where that little house is with the green roof. Because there's the ramp. They have a little boat launch thing.
I'm guessing it's on this side of that blue pole where the green can is.
Oh, sure. That's where he's got the channel mark. I'm saying stay kind of in the middle of these two.
About a week ago on Lake Superior, there was a big thunderstorm came through, and it destroyed Saxon Harbor Marina, and along with about 85 boats. And one of the boats was found out on the lake adrift, and a salvage boat is going to be bringing it in, and they're going to take it out with the travel lift here at the Ontonagon Marina in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, where we're spending the night.
So, how do you tow a partially submerged vessel?
See what we got going on. I heard these guys talking over here. They said it was found on the beach. It was washed up on the beach?
It's upside down.
Oh, it is upside down.
It's a powerboat.
Pulling in a submerged vessel upside down. What's its upside down draft? There's only about 7 foot in the channel.
What the cabin top looks like.
Cabin top could easily be deeper than that.
If it drags. It's pretty big.
It might be a lot bigger than 30 foot too. It could be 36.
It's bigger than the boat that's pulling it.
Oh, you don't see that every day, huh?
In case it gets stuck on the bottom, we want to make sure that it's through.
Is it stuck?
I'm sure it's plowing through shit.
Well, that's one way to dredge a channel.
Yeah. I bet they hooked on the bottom.
Yeah, I'd say that's 36 feet. I wonder what it is.
It looks bigger than there. Well, we'll find out.
We're going to see it come out of the water here pretty soon.
Yep. Wow. I can't imagine. Can't imagine.
We have a diver on site now. We're headed out the Ontonagon Channel entrance out of Ontonagon Marina today. It's 7 a.m. We are racing a thunderstorm a little bit. It's about 5 to 7, 8 hours maybe before it gets here, hopefully closer to 8. And we have about 40 nautical miles to go. So I'm hoping with the winds pushing us that we can do about 7 knots and be there in about 5 hours. So we're on the head of a thunderstorm. The winds are in the right direction. The thunderstorm looks to be pretty light, but there's always a chance, you know. So we have everything battened down and have our foul weather gear ready and our life jackets on, and we're gonna go. Hopefully we get some really good sailing out of the deal. That's what I'm hoping for. So our wonderful Lake Superior split the weather system that was coming at us and kind of broke it up going to the north and split off another little piece going to the south, and we are having an absolutely gorgeous day out here. We're getting the wind, 18 to 22 knots. We're on a wonderful downwind motor sail because we were trying to make the entry before a storm hit. But we're having a great day on the water and we're really happy we came. It's wonderful out here.
Now entering the Portage River. And we're in. Level water. Woohoo!
We're in.
We're in.
I love visiting someplace new.
Big rainfall along here. Oh, here we go. Bringing it up.